MULN stock Thursday. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Mullen Automotive just absolutely had like a reverse play since like I made a video on this, so we're at $7 right now. But the idea that like something's changed other than the reverse split itself only, yeah, I mean, I'm not effing with it. You know, all these links on the chart are just me previously being short, and everything got shifted, man. Everything. So it's definitely going to be out of place. And it's going to look kind of weird, but I get it, you know. It's also totally fine. Yo, however that look like, so be it. I'm going to take it and hide everything. And just have all that proof. Again, it's all still on my YouTube channel, but specifically with the price action that I have here. Like, even if you watch my previous video on MULN, you can see that I was bearish. And honestly, I'm still looking to take it down. So what I'm going to do is short only if the price goes up and shows me a double break. If not, obviously I'm not going to short. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a very simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.